In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar with Grok AI. If you're a creator, a small business owner, or part of a marketing team, this walkthrough will help you go from scattered ideas to a clean, actionable plan you can follow week after week. First, open Grok AI. You can visit the official website in your browser or launch the Grok AI app on your device. This is your starting point, and everything we do will happen directly inside Grok's interface, so there's nothing extra to set up for this workflow. Once the site or app loads, open the chat interface. This is the conversational window where you'll type instructions and receive your calendar. Think of it as a collaborative workspace. You give Grok the direction, and it organizes the details into a clear plan. Quick note before we continue. I've placed the official website link and, if you prefer the app, the download link right at the very top of the description, so you can access Grok AI immediately without hunting around. Now, provide your content plan details. In the chat box, type the topics you want to cover, the platforms you plan to post on, and your ideal posting schedule. Clarity matters here. For example, you might list product tutorials, customer tips, and behind the scenes as topics, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube Shorts as platforms, and 3 posts per week as your cadence. The more specific you are, the more tailored your calendar will be. Next, ask Grok to create a content calendar. You can say something like, create a content calendar for topics, platforms, dates, or generate a weekly content calendar for my social media posts. If you have a time frame in mind, include it. You can also mention preferred content formats or themes, so Grok knows exactly what to deliver. Grok will generate a structured content calendar with dates, platform assignments, and content ideas. Review it carefully. Make sure the frequency aligns with your capacity, the topics match your goals, and the timing fits your audience's habits. Check for variety across platforms and ensure you're not overloading any single day. If you want changes, refine it. Ask Grok to adjust dates, add more posts, or change the format. For example, you can request, shift all Instagram posts to mornings, add a Friday recap, or provide shorter captions. Keep iterating until it feels realistic and easy to execute. That's how you can quickly create a content calendar using Grok AI. If this was helpful, don't forget the link at the top of the description. Thanks for watching,